project of the week focuses on Lectrify's STEM kit, the Introduction to Electricity Flashlight Kit. With this kit comes a set of directions, laser cut flashlight parts, the battery holder with a battery, a nylon nut and screw, 2 brass brads, and 8-inch copper tape. This Lectrify STEM kit comes with step-by-step directions outlining exactly what you need to do to successfully build a flashlight kit. In this Introduction to Electricity STEM kit, the focus is on a circuit. A circuit is a closed path through which electric currents flow. The simplest circuit we can work is with a battery connected to a light, which is what you'll see here. This is a simple drawing of what you're doing in this STEM kit. You are connecting a light, which is featured as a small flower-looking image, to a battery, and the current flows from the battery to the light, and from the light back to the battery. If we were drawing a circuit diagram, this is what it would look like. The battery is represented by 2 lines and a plus and minus side to signify the positive and negative side. And the LED light is drawn as a triangle with a small line next to it. And you'll see the transfer of energy, or the electricity, moving from one direction from the battery to the LED light. To begin this project, you're going to take the laser cut flashlight piece and find the 2 small holes. You're going to align the battery holder over the thin holes and insert the brads through the holes to secure the battery holder to the handle of the flashlight. On the reverse side, you're going to flatten the brads so that it is secured in place. Your next step is to take the 8 inches of copper tape that you have and cut it in half. You're going to secure 2 3-inch pieces of copper tape from the flat end of the brad over the post to the button of the brad. Carefully wrap the copper tape around each post to cover it. You'll want to make sure that you go back over the tape, pushing it down to secure it tightly to the flashlight. The copper tape can be rather tricky to use. I would recommend leaving the backing connected and just work in small sections at a time, peeling it away as needed. Once you have secured the copper tape, you'll want to clip off any excess that is remaining and make sure to go back over the tape, specifically focusing on the post, and make sure that the tape is secured on all sides. Once the tape is secure to the flashlight, you'll then want to take a look at the battery holder and the light. What you'll notice is that on certain corners of the battery holder and the light, it's either red or yellow. That's going to play an important part here because you want to make sure that the white piece of the light lines up with the white piece of the battery holder. That will now be behind the brass brad, so you'll have to check that carefully. Once you've checked that, you'll want to carefully secure or gently secure the light bulb to the posts, like so. Now is the time to take your coin cell battery and place it in the battery holder. You do have an on-off switch on this flashlight, so you can test it to make sure that your battery and your light are working. Your final step is to take the front of the flashlight and align it properly using the pre-made holes. You'll see exactly where the top of the flashlight slides into place, and you'll then find one remaining hole for the screw and the nut. You'll place the nut underneath of the front of the flashlight first, and then place the screw through the hole, screwing it into place, and using a flat head screwdriver to secure it tightly. Your final product is an LED flashlight with an on-off switch that you've created using a complete circuit. If you have any questions or would like information about ordering this kit, please visit our website at www.firstmakerspace.com.